How did that one go? Was it a little bit better because you had practiced it once before? Yeah. I see a lot of head nods. Hopefully the same was true in Zoom land. We were a little faster on our side this time because we knew what we were doing, so that was good. I was going around the room and listening to conversations. One conversation, not to pick on anybody, but they were sort of apologetic because they got down a tangent. They were talking about one person didn't understand a term used in one of the scenarios, and they went down a long tangent learning how to do, I think it was related to GPUs. I don't actually know which scenario it was. But there's nothing wrong. This is an activity about communication, but if you're learning something via communication, don't feel that. That's really good. But hopefully most of you found this acceptable. We're actually running out of time, but a few minutes. Did anybody learn anything about communication or want to share something that happened in your group that you thought went well?
Share mine.
Go ahead.
I was following the listener example 3 actor. And I was talking about a program that was very slow and was poorly written in MATLAB. And I desperately went to her for GPU classes. So somebody told me that the GPU nice answers, and following the example, I said, if she can come and look at my code, and if she can modify or fix, or and she point. So I asked her, and I was in the same situation many times, with the students come to me and say, I cannot solve this thing, and always you want to give all the help you want, right? All the help you can also, and ended up, modify, spending hours in the code, and sometimes it's frustrating because you cannot solve things, and instead of solving your things worse. So
yeah, so there's actually different policies at different centers I've discovered. How much you actually are willing to dig your hands into other people's code. Me, I'm always willing to give it a little bit of my time. I'm just always hacking away. Hand me your computer, let me see if I can figure it out. It probably causes more problems than it solves. No, I don't know if that's true, but I definitely understand the need. Don't touch people's code. That's their responsibility. You're not their code monkey, right? It is not your job to fix their code. Your job is to give them advice. So if they're coming to you with a question about GPUs, you might just say, I don't know about GPUs, but here's some websites I found online. That might be a perfectly reasonable answer, depending on your experience. I tried to make that one a little bit more complex and point out that GPUs are not a hammer to solve all problems. And that's just a lesson I've learned over the years, but that's more of a technical lesson than a communication tool lesson. Any other examples of what worked well? It was fun. That's good. I enjoyed the energy in the room. I couldn't see the energy in Zoom land, but there was something nice about having everybody feel better. So